भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Chant from the first verse. ऊर्ध्वमूलो वाक्शाखः एषोऽश्वत्थः सनातनः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्म तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिल्लोकाश्रिताः सर्वे तदु नात्येति कश्चन एतद्वै तत्। नेक्स्ट यदिदं किंच जगत्सर्वं प्राण एजति निःसृतं महद्भयं वज्रमुद्यतं य एतत् विदुरमृतास्ते भवन्ति यदिदं किंच जगत्सर्वं प्राण एजति निःसृतं महद्भयं वज्रमुद्यतं वज्रमुद्यतं य एतत् विदुः अमृतास्ते भवन्ति अमृतास्ते भवन्ति। We had seen the first verse, and in the first verse what we saw was that nature of the world was compared to the tree, and about that tree there were certain points. That tree was big, so this our whole world is also very big. Our mental world is very big, unending thoughts of mindness, I-ness, unending prarabdha, unending vasanas, unending actions to be completed. You complete 2 actions, 4 more are ready. So lay rakta bij, you complete 4 again, 10 are ready. Never it comes that you say all my actions are over and no more now. Mahat. Second was, it is anadi and anant. Anadi anantatvam. That was another nature which you saw in morning class. Then we had seen that anirvachaniyatvam was there. We had seen around 9 points, I think, about the commonness of the Jagat as well as the Vriksh. Then we saw that it has roots also, invisible roots also. Third point was there. Then fourth point was there, that, what was the fourth point? No, I must take the second. Third was Anirvachani. Fourth was the invisible root. Fifth was the branches, Shakhatvam. And sixth was Phalatvam. This is we saw. So this description of the world was for what? It for Vairagya Prakarana. The sooner one can get out of this tree, better it is. It is some room you are there which is on fire. Some room you are living, it is on fire. So at that time, you don't think, let me do some work in the room, let us watch TV in the room. Later on I'll come out. So at that time, leaving all other work, you search for any door or any window also, so that you can go out of that room. So here also there is lot of complexities are there in our life. This tree is very complex tree. Whether it is the life of vasana, life of action, life of bhog, life of relations, they are complex. Once you enter into it, very difficult to get out. Once you go into that matter, it will take forever. Supposing you get attached to somebody, it's very difficult to get out. Supposing you hate anybody, very difficult to get out. That means you are entangled now, that complexities, you are a victim of the complex. Supposing ahankar comes, very difficult to get out of that ahankar also. And fruits, very difficult to get out of birth and death cycle. Very difficult to get out of the pattern of thinking that we have. Very difficult. All these are very difficult. Something is easy also. Everything is so difficult. Now what is the fact has been put easy is that you can understand this. Understanding also is, you have to give some time. If one is not able to understand, he will be always shuttling. Therefore, last point about this tree was Chedyatvam. It can be uprooted, it can be cut. Actually, Vriksh word Vrishchanat, which can be cut. There is something called crop and something is called tree. Like paddy field is there, wheat. What does this mean? That is technically called Oshadi. Oshadi. Phalapakanta Oshadi. It will give only one wheat and one season, after that it will dry away. Rice is there, once it will give rice, after that over. That particular paddy will be gone now. So you have to plant another for the next season. But not the mango tree. Mango tree will keep on giving fruit after every season. In every season, you did not cut the tree. This is the difference between two. So, what you want to say? I want to say, live a little careful life. Live a life of carefulness. We should not live, and whatever comes in a mind, I do that. Whatever comes in the mind, I think. And whatever I feel, I just. All these are nothing but a person is putting himself into more bondage. Don't be careful that no person is in your life has become a limitation for you. No person has become a limitation for you. Well, what do you mean by that? There is nobody, because of him you can't do the right thing. Mental limitation. Because of that person I am not able to keep cool. Because of that person I am not being detached. Because of that person I am not able to perform my duties. Because of that person I am not able to do my bhajan. That means that person in your mind has become a limiting adjunct. That person in your mind has become a upadhi. You are conditioned by that. Already new sansar, earlier sansar we did not remove, I created new one. Earlier one was difficult to dislodge, I created a new world in me. Therefore we should be careful that I should not be making new walls. Wall means I can't see more than that. If one wall comes, I can't see more than what is outside. This wall is preventing me to see outside what is there. So sometimes because of my rag, dvesh, kam, krodh, whatever is there, I'm not able to see more. I just see that person. I'm not able to jump over that and do something good. My loss. This is the world is there. This is the world called Ashwatth Sanatana. Don't put yourself more in bondages. Don't put yourself more in troubles. Okay. But another point which was mentioned is there is a root of this tree, which was Brahman. Urdu had two meaning. What? What is the two meaning? Which is and no. Utkrishtatamam means which is superior. Superior. I said no, qualitatively. Urdu is for qualitatively. Qualitatively. Be very careful in noting these words. So these two things were mentioned. Okay. What more is mentioned? Lot is there. In that Brahman is the whole world, ashrit, and nothing transgresses that. This was the first verse which we saw. Achha. So here world has been taken to know about the Brahman. And this Moolam is the material cause of the world. So this is one way to define the Brahman. Now second mantra is telling about the Nimitta Karan. What is Nimitta Karan? Sarab? How will you define? Good. That which gives the shape. So Nimitta Karan, that is operative. That which gives the shape means what? That which runs, that which has a will in it. So next verse is saying, what is being told in the next verse? Yadidam kincha jagat sarvam prana ejati nisratam. Now, one trait of the world is there. That everything is working very systematically here. Sun is systematically sitting in its own place. Temperature of the sun is fixed. Earth's revolution and rotation is fixed. Seasons are fixed. The crop that has to come from the earth is fixed. And all are not only systematic but highly intelligently put also. Everything is systematically going on. So there is one rule. Everything is following the rules. So there is one point that if there is a rule being followed, so there should be one ruler because of whose fear rules are being followed. The point is, if the rules are being followed anywhere, so there is one ruler. First thing is that no rule is made by itself. There is somebody who has made the rules, and he has a strong strength that rules have to be followed. He is the upholder of the rules. So one is one who made the rules, second is upholder of the rules, and nobody can break his rules. Rules are there, everywhere rules are there. I see everywhere rules. Body inside you see, stomach is doing its rule that the stomach will do its own work. Nose is doing its own work. Ears are doing its own work. All are doing, and they are all following their respective jobs. Anywhere, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, they are all under various rules are there. And because the rules are being followed, therefore there should be one ruler because of which all the rules are being systematically and fearfully followed. The mother's womb, the baby is there. Rule is there that he will be matured in 8-9 months. Not that he is maybe now is somebody's baby comes out in 4 years and somebody's only in 3 months. Or someone only in 2 weeks. There is a rule. देखो कितना रूल है वहां पे. It's not that anything can happen. Elephant will come out after 2 years, I think. Elephant. Huh? 22 months. तो 2 years हो गए. 2 months हो गए. Elephant. And this rabbit also is a mammal. Rabbit maybe a few weeks. Gestation period. सबका अलग अलग है. Rule है उनका. Rabbit can't hold the baby for 9 months. And we cannot force the baby, the mammals, human being cannot force the baby to go out in 2 weeks. Bole, I am making one technology. What technology? That baby which was in the mother's womb, now we will put it in some test tube, etc. No, that you can't do. After three months, I'll take him out and play with him. You cannot play with the laws of the rule. Baby will die away. Even 1 month before, if the baby is born, premature delivery, they have to go through incubator and sometimes they struggle to survive. I was in Jodhpur and somebody, maternity, one was gynecologist. So she took me in their own ward and there was this incubators. Small babies were kept. Small babies. Some neither, some tube is there. So you wonder. only premature delivery. 1 month before, if they come out, then also it is premature. And supposing the baby is staying more, then also there is a problem. Then you wonder why, what is the problem? Or supposing the umbilical cord is there, and umbilical cord is got entangled around the neck of the baby. It's a complicated process. To make one full body inside a stomach is a complicated process. Biggest complicated process is this only. How the baby is growing. But the rule is there, it is making it. The mother doesn't do anything. There is no credit doesn't go to the mother. So only she eats more. So they say I'm eating for 2 people. चलो भाई मान लेते हैं they are eating for 2, but after baby is out still they keep on eating for 2 anyway. अब तो बेबी हो गया, 1 का कर दो कि मेक ऑफ 1 नाउ, स्टिल 2 हो गया. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस. अब ये सब रूल्स. आश्चर्य होता है. यू गेट वंडर हाउ कम सो मच, एंड ऑल आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट रूल्स. अब सी इफ आईज वेयर ऑन द फीट, you couldn't have seen, you can't have foresight. Eyes, supposing eyes were on the feet, supposing structure of the body, I'm saying, you can't see from the top. You can see much more. The body is prevented from falling. Otherwise the head will hit somewhere. This teeth is everything. This teeth is there. This is to cut. This is molars, where you chew from. I don't know what is this teeth called. Huh? Inside. Incisive. So you cut that. If you see these animals, especially carnivorous animals, they have canine teeth. All are canine teeth. Like this. We have one only, one here, one there. But don't see. So I hope it is there. Nahin? So one is here, one is there. This is there. Because we are not meant for non-vegetarian food. They have to tear the meat. The lion or all this, they tear the meat. And we have to cut the vegetables. We don't have to tear the vegetable. And if you see these cows, etc., they have very good molar teeth all around. They can, because chewing is involved. You have to munch. Like this they will do. All around. There are 2 steps. First they gulp, and then they have time, they chew. Thank God human being doesn't have. Otherwise in the satsang they would have started. If the human beings had this capacity, so they would have eaten everything fast. Satsang. क्या इंटेलिजेंस है. अच्छा सी goat, this camel is there. So camel is meant for mainly the desert areas. Nothing is accident. Don't think anything happens. A camel can live without water for 40 days. 40 days. And also the feet is such it won't sink inside the sand. Similarly, the animal in the Himalaya, cold areas, yak is there. Yak. Yak can live in the temperature of minus few degrees also. Yak. And yak can carry a weight of 1000 kilogram. much more than its own weight. If you see the dogs in the hilly and cold area, they are full of hairs. Sivanath? What is there? I don't know. But they have lot of hairs all around to protect them from cold. Everything is full of intelligence. To protect our skull, hairs are here, so that the rays of the sun do not hit straight. And sometimes if you are in the sunlight, you will have headache. Especially if I go in the sunlight and too much I go outside, we have to have a hat or a cap. So you start having headache there. This is there, and also for beauty also. दोनों है भाई भगवान. This multi-purpose is there. With one arrow he shoots too many birds. I don't know. So many causes are there. Hairs. From Tirupati, lot of hairs they shave there, and they export that. Full of wigs. Wigs are there. So one truck of wigs was stolen away. And police did combing operation. क्या क्या बताया मैं आपको. अच्छा, these mountains are there. Mountains. Most of the mountains have to have trees to hold the soil. Otherwise, it will all erode. What is happening now? Erode. There is ozone layer is there. Ozone layer. You know the rays which come from the sun. It has some ultraviolet and some other. They are harmful. That CFC what we use. CFC, which is in fridge also and AC also. It has broken the ozone layer. So it has now come and it is dangerous for human being. This lot of ocean is there. You know, this Antarctica, especially not Arctic, but Antarctic has lot of all boulder. I mean all glaciers. Hundreds of kilometers deep, their ocean is. When you Cape Town, who went with me? Nobody. There one person went to Antarctica. 7-9 months dark only. Long night. And full, only one ship goes from South Africa to Antarctica. And there is no flight, one flight. If some casualty happens, it's a difficult thing to rescue that. But they do for researches and all these things. They have a lot of researchers. So from South Africa, it's closer because it's southern hemisphere. This from here, so they go there. They are sent. So there is only lot of glaciers are there and full of ice. That makes the ocean going on in the summer, and now it is melting because of this global warming. They say after few years, this Maldives is there near India. That is going to go away. That island will be over in few years. Maldives. Small island will all go away. You get drowned. Singapore is also in the name, but Singapore has after a long time. Because Singapore is a very small island. Very tiny island. I don't think it is bigger than Durban or what. I think it must be smaller than that. So everything is very, very intelligently made. No other planet has life other than Earth. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Because somewhere it is too cold, somewhere it is too hot, somewhere water is less. Moon they went. Moon. this Neil Armstrong. Who was the other person? One more was there. Huh? I can call him. Acha. So he went to the moon. No, the moon. Uh-huh. No, he went to Everest. Everest. Huh? Who? Okay, he was serious. Who's Everest? So, a moon, you cannot live in the moon because gravity is 1/6. You will float here and there. You throw the football will go for kilometers. Temperature is too high. You can't eat ice cream. It's not livable. So optimum conditions are available. I'm just telling you the importance of that. But moon governs the water and mind. There is so much intelligence and nobody can leave its intelligence. No orbit can, no, all planets are in, not that Saturn ran away that side. No orbit, no two planet collides. And see, I'm so stunned. Earth is moving around the sun by 60,000 miles per hour. And you don't feel it. Imagine a car moving at the speed of 100 kilometers, how much you feel. And Earth's speed is 60,000 miles per hour. And you don't feel anything. It's just mind-boggling. And almost double that speed, 100,000 is rotating. Spinning. Otherwise day and night won't be there. अच्छा देखो गजब का है, spinning बना दिया. If it was not spinning, you'd have day only and night only. One part will have only day, other part will have only night. So everything is very well orchestrated, planned. It just, I'm not able to see how much intelligence is there. Supposing it was not spinning, then it will just go and that day will be there, that you can't sleep also. That means rest time won't be there. There are certain places where night is too long. Depression is there. In the northern hemisphere, which is this country? Huh? No, one country. Finland, vagara, they have 3 hours. They are in depression because night is too long. Somewhere days are too long. It's very unproductive thing. Something is too cold. These Europeans, too cold all the time. Therefore, South African climate is much better than European climate. Crop is much better here. Here you get all the fruit, you get all the vegetables. Europe is so cold. Poland, minus 25 degrees, minus 20 degrees. Putting on coat, and then after that, there's ice. They have to crash, take out car from outside. It is a challenge. Inside the house it is warm because they have air con, warm. But outside you cannot get out of it. Therefore, tough life was there. Difficult life. Earning was difficult. And that made the people harder. When outer nature is magnanimous, your inner nature also becomes magnanimous. Who has got lot of love, he will be a loving person. One who has not got love, for him to love will be difficult. So my point is that in any area you think there is a big, if summer is not there, winter won't be there. Summer is not there, winter won't be there. When you start running, you know what happens? You start panting. Why? Because body needs more oxygen. It needs oxygen faster now. Therefore, you because you need more frequently, oxygen is required. I don't see where you can say. See, there is a vocal cord, and there is a food pipe. These are two pipes, almost same. There is one lead in between. Hmm? What is it? So there is, it closes when you are eating. This closes. Therefore, say don't talk while you are eating. The food will go in the windpipe. Some people, they can't stop talking while eating also, and then they will say, "No, no, good, you got it." And therefore, in life, when you are eating, always keep water first. Some people give me food first, water later on. Water should be first kept. This is one rule. Because you don't know when the system will go here and there. Immediately drink water at that time. Oh, yeah, I did not know that. Yes. But don't drink all the water. Just water, don't drink water after eating immediately. Give half an hour, 45 minutes. Digestive fire should be kept alive. Okay.